Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Nagendra Bhaktha. I am a chartered accountant, practicing chartered accountant. And my place is Hebri, Someshwara, which is near to Agumbe. And why I have come here, just to tell you that those who are doing chartered accountancy, so what kind of course is this? CA, chartered accountancy. Why it has so much of importance? Why it has so hype? Why all the people are, the students, many of the students, if they are in commerce, if I ask them what is your wish or what you want to become, they say that I wish to be a chartered accountant, I want to become a chartered accountant. Why this chartered accountancy? So you might have asked yourself a question, and you might have tried searching also. Let me tell you, CA is not just a degree. It's not just a degree, it is a history. It is one history. Chartered accountancy, you don't become a chartered accountant in one day. You don't become a chartered accountant in one day or overnight. So it is successive nights. So that means it will take somewhere 4 years, minimum 4 years. 4 years to become a chartered accountant. And you study over a night, you become a chartered accountant. No. It is a series of a continuous consistency is required, and that consistent effort will definitely take you to a new height. Correct. In CA also, it is not easy that you become chartered accountant early, but certainly achievable. I heard somewhere that CA is not chartered accountancy, or it is not come again. It is certainly achievable. Obviously, it is possible. Just to tell you, my SSLC marks is 67, 68% somewhere. I don't remember now. But I'm an average student. When it came to PUC, I got some interest in accounts. I got some interest in business studies, like that. And when I entered CA, Chartered Accountancy course, it was my wish. So by somewhere from 8th standard, it was my wish to become a chartered accountant. I was waiting to be called as a chartered accountant. And why it is a very important one, as I told you, it is history. It is, people say that it is difficult, but I don't say that it is difficult. It depends on how you are. So on that basis, definitely I tell you, CA course, no, it is not a difficult course. It is a kind of different course it is. So this will give you the pride. This will give you the sense of that achievement. It will definitely give you a position, a respectable position in your career. And being called as a chartered accountant student is also a pride, which I believe. And why I said it is a history. CA is a history. You know that how many levels are there in CA? I'll just tell you. How many levels are there in CA? Starting, once you are done with your 10th standard, 10th, immediately you join PUC, correct? PUC, pre-university college. You start your PUC, basically pre-university college. Sir, in my PUC, what I need to take? I take science, sir. No, you cannot. You can take science as well. You can take science. No issues in that. You can take science. Many of my friends whom I met in my intermediate, so they were from science. So you can do it. Science also you can take, but to have a very good strong background and a foundation, better to go for commerce. Commerce. Now, those who are already in commerce, now you are thinking that whether I need to do chartered accountancy or not. If you ask me, chartered accountancy is not just a course, it is a kind of emotion. It will play with your emotions as well, and it will give you a courage, it will give you a solid base for your future. That's why if you ask me, as per my experience, I say that yes, It is required. So you can go for chartered accountancy. Sir, once PUC is done, after appearing for second PUC, immediately in May or June, it depends on the exam date, you have to write some course called as foundation examination. You have to write foundation examination, in which you have four subjects. Subject number one, it is accounts. Whatever you study in your PUC plus some extra will be there. And second is law. Secondly, it is law, basically business law. So something related to your business, that law will be there. So this you are going to study here. And third important one is maths. Sir, many of you say that, sir, maths, we have to study maths. Yes, there is maths in your foundation, and it is basic maths. Don't worry, it is not trigonometry might be there, I don't know. It will be maths, reasoning is also there. Correct. Now next one more. Fourth one is economics, business economics. So earlier, that means this attempt onwards, we have only one subject, accounts, law, maths, plus stats, plus logical reasoning. This is there. Three parts are there. But earlier in economics, we had BCK, business and commercial knowledge, and law we had BCR. So BCR was there, here BCK was there, but later ICAI said no, there is no BCR and BCK, not there, only law. They have added some of the topics from inter, and here also they have added some topics from inter in economics. So it is a full-fledged subject now. So these four subjects you have to write. And what is required, sir? You have to get minimum, see, all are for 100 marks, 100 marks ka subjects hai, in which at least 40 in each subject, at least 40. If it is less than, in any one of the subject less than 40, fail. And putting this together, it is not 160, you have to get 200. In aggregate you have to get 200, and in all the subjects you have to get at least 40. Less than 40, fail. If you are failed in one subject, even if your marks is more than 200, example, your mark is 209, 220, even if your mark is 220, then also you are fail. Why? Because one subject, each subject more than 40, and this subject it is complete, put together 200. So this is first level. And second level, in second level you have, after doing foundation, once you clear foundation, immediately you can enroll for inter. We call it as intermediate. It is between your foundation and CA finals. Intermediate, here you have 6 subjects, 3 subject one group, 3 subject another group. 3 subjects are there in one group. For 300 marks, you have to get 40 each, and 150 in aggregate. 150 in aggregate, all the 3 subjects put together. It is not 120, 150. You have to get 150 marks or more than that, and in each subject 40 marks compulsory. You got 170 marks, but one subject you got 39 marks, sir, fail. But there is one more advantage, that if any one subject you got more than 60, but you failed, sir, that subject you are not required to write next time. Next time while writing, you are not supposed to write that subject. So that is one advantage given to you. And here also, this is second group. This is group 1, group 2. Sir, do I need to write both the groups together? Not required. You can write separately. Separate. May, one group. June, another group. Here also 300 and 40 each. 39, no, gone. 150 you have to get. 150. So this is intergroup. Same is applicable for your finals. Same thing is finals. Finals may be 3 groups. After clearing both the groups, you can go for finals, but before that you have to do 2 years of articleship. Sir, what is this articleship? So articleship mane to, articleship is nothing but you will find one chartered accountant already practicing chartered accountant, and this CA's office mein you have to work for 2 years. You have to work for 2 years, for which every month you will get the stipend. You will get some stipend. Stipend is awarded to you. Somewhere example 2000 per month, 3000, that depends. In Bangalore it will be 4000, 5000, 6000, it might go till 6000 also. Stipend per month. You will get stipend for 2 years. That means you have to do articleship for 24 months. You have to do articleship for 24 months, mandatory. Once you are done with that, you have the articleship certificate. So when you can go for articleship? Immediately after clearing inter. Both the groups of inter you have to clear. Once you are cleared with both the groups, you can go for articleship. Once you clear articleship, what is articleship, sir? You have to work under a chartered accountant, practicing chartered accountant. Once you are, your work is done, so he will give you a certificate. The chartered accountant will give you one certificate. This certificate, after having that certificate, you can appear for final exam. Before that, you have some other exams too. But before going to finals, you have ITT, Information Technology Training, and Orientation or GMCS, General Management Skills. So these are some of the skills that you have. There are no exams. ITT mein there is exam, a small exam will be there, easy exam. And GMCS there is no exam, it is just a skill, just one skill it is. Okay, so this is CA. After doing articleship, you have to go for ITT and GMCS, and there is one more, ITT 1 is also there, ITT 1 and GMCS. What am I writing here? GMCS. So these are there. So you have to do all this, and once you get that, now you can write for CA finals. You can sit for CA finals. Here also there are 2 groups, 3 subject each, and same rules is applicable. What rule is applicable here? Same rule is applicable here. Once you finish both the groups, you have to create. You can give group 1 first, group 2 next, or you can give group 2 first, group 1 next. That is left to you. So you can do here also. Here also same thing, sir. First you can go for group 2 and group 1 next, or first group 1, next group 2, like this. So once you are finished with this, you can see a letter, 2 letters, which is CA. You will become a chartered accountant. So this is the process, guys. This is the process. First, once again, I'll repeat. First, you have to write foundation. After your second PUC, once you are done with 12th, first you have to write foundation. Once foundation is done, you can go for inter. Inter you have to enroll. You have to clear both the groups. After clearing both the groups, you can go for articleship. Before articleship, 1 ITT orientation is there. After articleship, 1 more ITT orientation. I hope clear. Next, finals. So once it is done, then finals. Articleship is for 24 months, that is 2 years. In that 2 years, you will get the income also. And this is finals. Once final is done, you are a chartered accountant. This is chartered accountancy ka course. So I believe that chartered accountants course, that is whatever I have given the information here, that was helpful to you. So if you are planning to become a chartered accountant, please enroll it soon. If you are done with second PUC or you are in first PUC, even now you can register. Once you register, you will get registration is not possible, but you can take the classes. You can start studying now itself. if you are determined to become a chartered accountant. So this is about the CA course, guys. We will meet as a professional colleagues once you become a chartered accountant. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Bye.